Namaste, everybody. In Nepal, there is the big company Surya Nepal,
Yeah.
and it is the major uh, selling tobacco country of Nepal, and there are other tobacco industries also, but the main product and the market is covered by Surya Nepal. Then it is manipulating the youth in Nepal to uh, buy the different kinds of social responsibility, social corporate responsibility. And at first, I want to go to the situation of youth, smokers of youth of Nepal, tobacco usage of youth in Nepal. More than 2.8 million adults are smoker. Among them, 28% men and 7.5% are women, and 18.3% of adults are use smokeless tobacco. Among them, 33.3% are men and 4.9% are women, and 20.9 of adults were exposed to tobacco advertisement and promoting in any form of media, and 11.2% of adults noticed on site promoting of cigarette in sales outlet. And how the Surya Nepal manipulating youth, we can see Surya Nepal have different kinds of other kind of products also, and but they use same kinds of logo. Then Surya Nepal is the joint owned by ITC Limited India and British American Tobacco company, and it conducts the different CRS program targeting the youth. And we can see 4 different CRS program of Surya Nepal, but the logo is same, which is used in cigarettes also. Then the first one is Khel Pariyatan, it means sports tourism, and the second one is Prakriti, nature. The third one is Swasthya, health, and the fourth one is Asa, hope. And yes, next. Then it is the Surya Nepal Asa program, which is targeted by young women. It is, you can see the picture we have behind. There are so many women, and every year more than 3,000 young girls involved in this program. It's Surya Nepal Khel Pariyatan, it means sports tourism, and it is the biggest tournament of Surya Nepal, golf tournament of Nepal. And in this tournament, every who involved and who wants to who goes for watch, he have to wear jacket and cap. Here is the logo of Surya Nepal. Then it is the trick to publicity of the cigarettes, and it is the nature, Surya Nepal nature, Prakriti. Then In this event, they used different. They used their logo and do the different things. For example, they last year they plant more than 100, more than 1,000 trees in a city, and after planting that cities, they covered and put their logos in there. And the next one, they make a school in near the Pokhara Valley. No, and they involve school children, and they were with the cap with the logo of Surya Nepal. And the next one is Surya Nepal Swasthya Health, and in this event they used to provide the primary health care who are in low income group people. Then they says they are doing the health camps, hygiene, family planning program who are affected by HIV/AIDS, and they told that women and children, they cares women and children health care. But when they goes for these events, they put the cap, and in cap there is the logo of Surya Nepal, and they bring the uh, other materials also, where is the logo of the Surya Nepal's, included the logo of Surya Nepal's banner. Then other CRS activities, they have done rally, publicly rally, where the maximum are involved, the youth are involving, and they make you can see the right side of one building. It is the school building which is built by Surya Nepal near the Pokhara Valley. Then yes, this much. Thank you.